me, Deja B, and I'm back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. It's something that was purchased for me by my boyfriend. He's the sweetest. So this gift is a birthday gift. It's actually been a month since my birthday, but he ordered it before my birthday, but it just took forever to get here. I don't know why. Oh, sorry, I was trying to see where my dog was going because I thought he was going in the room and he don't need to be in there. But yeah, so it took over a month to get here, y'all, which is crazy, but it is finally here and I'm going to unbox it for you guys. This was a really thoughtful gift because it's something that I said something to him about one time, not even expecting for him to get it for me, and he actually remembered me bringing it up. So it just shows how thoughtful it was, and it was not cheap either, but that's a flex and I ain't trying to flex. Okay, so there's two pieces. There's this black thing and I don't know what's in here, but it came with it. And then there's a big box. A big box. Look how huge it is. I'm gonna open this black thing first because I want to know what it is. She's a runner, she's a track star. Okay. Okay. Security. I can dig it. I can dig it. I can dig it. I probably should open the box first because the box probably tells me everything that comes with it. Oh, it's a bag. It's a bag to put it in. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. Let's open the box. Ironically, my boyfriend isn't here right now. He's out for a friend's birthday, so he's not here to get my reaction, but he may or may not watch the video later. Okay. Buy one get one free. Apparently REVAIR has hair products. I did not know that. Like, I mean, of course a REVAIR, I mean, it's all hair products, but I mean like stuff that you put on your hair or in your hair. And there's a BOGO coupon for that. And then it comes with clips, crocodile clips. A comb. A misting spray bottle. There's something else in here. There's like a bag. Oh my gosh, I love this comb. I needed some more clips too. What is this? Lipstick? Bright Spot. There you go. Okay. REVAIR Trilogy Complex Bright Spot Shine Spray for all hair types. Oh, like you can carry it in your bag. Okay. Okay. Don't tell me this is a bonnet. Oh, it's a towel. It's a microfiber towel. Oh, it's one of those ones that you can like put on your hair and then pull it to the front like that. Snap it on. Ooh, it has a bag for it. That's so cute. You can never have too many microfiber towels. Microfiber? Okay. You can never have too many microfiber towels. OMG. And then a continuous mist spray bottle. I actually already have one. If you watch my channel, then you know I already have one. But you can never have, I mean, having two or three or four, honestly, is not too much. Because you can use them for multiple things. around the same time. Booyah. Oh my god, it's the comb. It's all of this for me, but this comb though. This comb though, this is meant for picking froze. This is meant for froze. Yes. And I actually don't have any crocodile clips. I have like some regular clips, but these will definitely come in handy too. Okay, the REVAIR. It says blow your mind, not your hair. I can dig it. This is the operating manual. What is this called? Is it just called a REVAIR? Like, it doesn't have a name. And it has a quick start guide. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to use it. Now I have to use it on my next wash day. All these different pieces. What is this? Is this a part of it? She's a runner, she's a track star. I don't know why that song is in my head. Get a grip wand holder can be used while the REVAIR wand is powered on or to secure the wand in place until its next use. This is low-key kind of heavy. That ain't tell me nothing. Apparently this is a hair tie. There's one on that other thing that I just showed you guys. Pew 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 pew. I'm such a child. Jesus, this thing is long. My dog is like, Rio's like, what are you doing? What am I doing? You like, what are you doing? Dun, dun, dun. It has prior to usage instructions. I can wrap this around my whole body. Yeah, it's an infinite loop. It's a bird, it's a snake. It's a train. Prior to using the REVAIR is designed to dry and straighten clean, damp hair. Do not apply oils to hair before use of your device. Do not saturate hair with hair care products or water to the point of dripping. Do not use excess substances on or in the device. Filter and base should be scrubbed with a mild detergent every 3 to 5 uses. Cool. By not complying with these precautions, your device integrity may be impacted and void your warranty. Child. Got to listen to what the people say now. Need to keep that warranty. Oh, and it has a place where you can keep the cord. It's a jukebox. We gon' get it poppin'. We gon' get it jukin'. Hey. Like we used to do. I remember you. Let's see. Put the dial on 2. There's the dial. So big. Has a dial for, like, I guess the setting, how high or how hard you want it to, I guess, suction the hair. But then it also has this. It has three different settings. Technically it's in the center, which is off, I guess. And then it has a lower and a higher setting too. And it gets hot. I didn't realize they got hot. I'm so excited to use it. This is great, guys. Great. BAE, if you're watching this, I love you. The best gift ever. Yes, he's outdone himself, okay? I'm not very materialistic. I do like having lots of clothes and lots of shoes and lots of purses, but I'm not very like super name brand. I definitely can go to Ross and shop. Like, that's not a problem for me. Ross, TJ Maxx, it doesn't matter. I'm not a super name brand person. I like to go where I can get a lot of stuff and quality stuff. And I don't know where I was going with that. Every birthday he just gets better and better. Like, he really loves me, and that's a flex, and I know it, okay? Almost forgot. I guess this is what you use it for. If you want to sit it down, it says you can use it while it's powered on or it just staying in place. So I guess you'll sit it on a table or something, or on the floor if that's your jazz. And yeah, just chills. And like I said, this is a pretty sturdy, pretty heavy, so it's gonna stay in place, okay? So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good jazz. And let me know if you have a REVAIR or tried a REVAIR before. And tell me what you think of the product. Okay guys, peace.